Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This is Harpreet Kaur, Advocate for United Sikhs. Today I shall be sharing few updates on the legal work that is being carried on by our team of advocates in Delhi. We had launched a toll-free number 1800-258-6769, which was launched exclusively for the farmers who went missing from various borders during the protests. After that, we had started receiving the calls. Immediately, we procured a list of arrested persons in various jails, and we compared both the lists, and we found that most of the people were there in the list of arrested persons. But I would also like to inform you that we are also receiving calls of the family members of the farmers who went missing before 26. For that, a groundwork has to be done to make sure that the farmer is actually missing, because there can be many probabilities, like due to network issues, the farmers are not able to contact their family members, or the farmer may have shifted from one border to another and the family members are not updated about his whereabouts. And it could also be a possibility that due to injuries, the farmer might have been admitted to some surrounding hospitals. So for that, our group of volunteers are also trying to procure the list of the farmers who are admitted in the hospitals, because now we are not getting the lists very easily. That list will be available to us within a day or two. With regard to the farmers who went missing after 26th of January, we are providing them the kits, like which contains basic necessities like a tracksuit, undergarments, blankets, toothbrush, toothpaste, the daily items. So it is a kit and named properly with the name of the farmer. Like 80 kits we have provided in Tihar jail, and we have procured this latest list of the arrested persons in Tihar jail wise. So this list we shall be updating online also. With regard to the legal work, I would like to inform you that we are procuring the copies of the FIRs, because the FIRs are not being uploaded online and they are not found. So we are left with an option to file applications before the magistrates and get the copies of the FIRs. So that work is being carried out. The second step is filing bail applications. That is also being carried out. And I would also like to inform you that 3 bails have been granted to the accused in Dwarka Court. This is the latest update. These bail orders were passed yesterday. So these are the latest updates as on today. We shall be sharing any other important information if we have with you. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.